OBS tip. Have you ever wanted to be able to control the volume of a browser source directly in OBS? If yes, then here's how. Alright, step 1. Right click on your browser and go into the properties. Step 2. Click on the Control Audio via OBS button. Click OK. Now at this point, you'll realize that we can't hear the browser source. Now, the idea was that we wanted to hear it as well. Step 3. You want to right click on the audio mixer and go into the advanced audio properties. And step 4, you want to go to the audio monitoring, figure out which one is for the browser source, and you want to click on monitor and output. At which point, you get the exact same as you had before, but now you can just control the audio right here in the audio mixer. And there you go. That's it.